This ancient tantric text changed my life, and this particular verse that I'm going to talk about today is what actually changed my view on reality. This is the Shiva Sutras. It was channeled thousands of years ago, and there's a verse in there that is just it's one of my absolute favorites. Nartaka Atma. The self is the dancer. I mean, that itself sounds so poetic. The self is a dancer. When we go deeper, what this means is consciousness is not static. When we think of dancing or a dancer, what comes to mind? Movement, flexibility, adaptability. Dance is dynamic, it's creative, it's always in motion. And this is what this sutra is pointing to. It's saying that the self is like a dancer. And what is the dance? The dance is your entire life. Every experience, every emotion, every relationship, all the moments of joy and sadness and pain, heartbreak, all of it is consciousness, the self, dancing, expressing itself, moving through form. And this connects so beautifully to Shakti as well, the divine feminine energy that is the creative force of this entire universe. Because if the self is the dancer, Shakti, the divine feminine energy, is the dance. She is the movement, the expression, the aliveness of everything. This tradition teaches us that Shiva and Shakti are inseparable. They're not different. They're just two different sides of the same coin. So it's like consciousness and its creative power, the dancer and the dance. You cannot have one without the other. Most of us move through life as if things are happening to us, like we're victims of circumstance. But this verse says the complete opposite, because again, this is a tantric text, and tantra is not about becoming the passive observer of your life. It's about you as consciousness dancing, creating, expressing. You're not a witness to this person dancing. You are the dancer and you are performing. You're not separate from the dance. All the tough moments in life, all the things that don't make sense, the people that trigger you, it's all part of the dance. And I think this is why in Indian tradition, dance has always been sacred. You might be familiar with Nataraj, Shiva as the cosmic dancer. It's one of the most iconic images in all of spirituality. He dances in a ring of fire, 1 foot raised, 1 foot grounded, and that represents the constant rhythm of creation and dissolution, of things beginning and things ending, and essentially of consciousness forever moving and creating and dancing. So if life feels chaotic right now or confusing and you're lost or things are not going according to your plan, remember Nartaka Atma. You are the dancer and life is the dance. Genuinely let me know how this makes you feel in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.